Hi, I'm becoming a VR filmmaker and I'm doing a test. That is my child's hand, but they don't want to be on camera for this test. So the test is if I do a camera rotation, then is it better? Is it more comfortable to rotate closer to the center, or my theory is that if I move it farther out and rotate it around the perimeter, and my theory is that the human head, when it rotates, doesn't rotate around the eyes. So we're gonna see which one works better. So for this circumference pan test, I think I'm right. When I watch it, the pan that's on that 6-inch perimeter, I do think is smoother. I do think is less jerky, but I don't think is substantially better. Like, I think that's the thing where I was pretty comfortable watching it in both, on that 6-inch and on the center. And so I think it will just kind of depend on what the motion is, or what the camera movement is. And I do think that actually putting that camera inside of things, and on surfaces, to me is really nice. Like when it's just kind of hovering in midair, especially when it's hovering at eye level, it feels, it doesn't feel as comfortable for me. That's just what it is. Again, I'm becoming a VR filmmaker and I'm really just looking for collaborators and friends right now. I'm trying not to think about this in some grandiose way. I just want to tell stories in this new medium because I think it's really exciting. And so if anybody's out there, especially if you live in LA, you live near the Valley, you're an actor, you're a gaffer, you're a DP, or you just want to learn to play around with this stuff, I'm looking for friends. I'm just looking for friends. So hit me up and let's talk.